Okay, so it's now recorded.
Okay.
Hi, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, good night, everybody. My name is Albert Tan from downloadsilo.com. Welcome everyone to tonight's webinar. And today we are going to host the team from this wpcommerce.com, and they are going to present to us a new plugin called WP
Guidant.
Guidant. So without what they call further ado, let me introduce the team to you guys, and also briefly, I will let the founder Shahin to talk afterwards. Then we will go straight into the demo by Abdullah Sakib. So if you guys can see us, can hear us, three of us, please type your name in the chat box so that we know you are here. Okay. Wait, Shahin is there. What about the other guys? Anybody here? We have somebody here, but then nobody tapping. Okay. Hi, Basim. So we just need get you guys to do some work, so that we know that you can hear us. That is most important thing, and also can see us, because I have experience. We have been talking for 2-3 minutes without realizing that you can't hear us, you can't see us. Okay, let's start, guys. Once again, my name is Albert Tan from downloadsilo.com. Most of you know me as the founder of this Download Silo Facebook group, where we will actually curate a lot of these lifetime deal, special offers, as well as giveaway to you guys. So I would like to introduce today Mr. Shahin and also Mr. Abdullah to you guys, because they are the team from WP Guidance. So without further ado, let's Shahin start the webinar, and he will introduce maybe his company and also his team. Okay, Shahin, please go ahead.
Okay, hello everyone. This is Shahin, co-founder and CEO of WP Commerce. Uh, I was working in this WordPress industry since 2019 and developed several WordPress tools like Darklab, shop-based designer, and variation swatches for WooCommerce. And this time, I am introducing a very unique and powerful plugin that is called WP Guidant, and I'm really excited to share this tool on this community, especially Download Silo. Previously, I have hosted two webinar regarding Dark Lab, and this is my third webinar with Mr. Albert in this community. So I hope this tool will be awesome for everyone. Okay, Mr. Albert. So, if you have any questions, please note and type in the comment section, and we
Yeah,
will answer.
definitely. Yeah, okay. Guys, if you have any question, you can start typing in the chat box. While Abdullah is presenting, Shahin will have to answer it, or else we will actually answer it at the end of after the demo. So without further ado, we start the webinar. Let's Abdullah do the demo. Abdullah, please go ahead, share your screen.
Hi, I'm Sakib Abdullah from WP Commerce. I'll be
Hello.
presenting the demo of WP Guidant today. Let me share my screen. So this is our WP Guidant webpage. We have prepared for you a brand new plugin that will boost your sale to a further level that you have never experienced before. As you can see, the title will tell you more about WP Guidant. Get more sell with guided selling process and convert traffic into leads. We have imported a demo video of the plugin for you can understand better what is going on. Let me show you some examples first. From the demo, we have e-commerce, real estate, SEO service, customer feedback. Let's start with e-commerce. Have you ever wondered that shopping could be fun? Instead of browsing through millions of products, you can just pick your thing, like what type of t-shirt are you looking for? A color, a v-neck, or round? You can select any. Let's go with v-neck. Just press next. Then a next tab comes up with the color settings, like you can go for yellow, white, red, multicolor, black, whatever you want to put your customers through into your shop. Let's pick multicolor. I'm doing this as a customer right now. This is what the customers will see. Then tapping next, you can select the price range, how much you want to spend per t-shirt. When you have adjusted the price range, click on show result. It will load pretty fast. That's right. For the multicolor t-shirt, we have one result found, presenting $120 for this t-shirt. So instead of going through all the t-shirt, I just go through a simple step process, a question and answer sessions, and found my product within a couple of seconds. This is how WP Guidant works. Basically, it's the foundation of this plugin. If I want to talk about real estate, you can select any property you want to buy or you want to rent. Let's assume I am a customer who want to buy a property from whatever the website it is. Let's click on buy. Actually, it's the radio function here. You can only select one option. Then goes next. You can adjust how many square feet you want to show for this new apartment. Let's go with the default value because I don't want to mess with the value. Just click on next. How many rooms you want to have? I think 4 is enough for me. Tap on show results. Check this out. You get all the apartment results available that matches your criteria. Instead of going through several steps like going into a web page, searching for apartments, matching what type of square feet, what type of price you want to pay, you can just click on this simple guide with WP Guidant and found your result. This is how easy WP Guidant makes your life for any WooCommerce website. Now, if I want to go to the backend, this is the WP Guidant. The plugin backend lets you create guide. There's a lot of demo we have created for our demo purpose on the website. Let me show you how to create one guide. Click on create, then enter your guide name, maybe a simple guide 0101. Then add a title like I like to shop. Sorry. Okay. Then you can put guide description. Not necessary, but certainly more fun for your customers. Let's pick your selection and go blast. Then all you have to do is the create, click on the create button. Your guide will be registered in the WP Guidance dashboard. There's three options. Want to delete the guide, want to go for the guide settings and design, and one for the manage filters. We'll let the guide settings and design for the later part of this video. Let's go for the manage filters. Now, the filters is the main part of the WP Guidant. It lets you scrape through a huge amount of data from WooCommerce to posts, anything you want to filter like title, product price, tags, customer rating, etc. Many opportunities, many possibilities. For the future, let's create a new filter. You can name it filter 1. This filter name will be shown on your site. You can identify what type of filter it is by setting the filter name. It's not going to show on the customer end. What's going to show is the filter title. Just tap something like please select. Then you can add filter description. I can go with blah blah blah. Then we have to select the filter type. As you can see, there's curd, slider, and form. For curd, you got checkbox and radio. Checkbox mean many things at one time, and radio means only one out of many. Let's go with checkbox. Click on create. You have the first filter. This is the filter curd settings. This is for editing the filter intensity, like you can change the name filter type again. Don't want to modify. Let's go for the curves. Just create new card. Click on it. And here it is, the first interface. Now, what should I do? Go for the t-shirt? Obviously. Click on the name, the title goes to t-shirt. Then we have to select what's go for matching. Like, let's pick this t-shirt. And the conditional goes for if I select the or condition and select card conditions from the card condition section, this filter will work for any condition fulfilled. And if selected and, all conditions need to be matched. Now, I am selecting it an or and then card condition. Let's attribute WooCommerce product, like the product category. For matching type, we'll select equal. That means it's obviously the product category and our filter matches it. Then not manual entry, go for WordPress settings. Then the values go to t-shirts. Obviously, this is the category we have prepared in our WooCommerce database. Then click on create. Our cart condition is ready. Cart settings is ready. Let's save. Now, if I want to show this basic guide, nothing done, nothing scared, just a basic guide. Here's the shortcode. Click to copy. Paste it in some of your web page. Just paste it inside your dashboard. Then click on update. And now update the page. I'm reloading. See, we got our first filter ready. I can click on the t-shirt and tap on show results. It's gonna show all the t-shirt category present in our WooCommerce shop. This is the basic process of WP Guidant plugin. I'm transferring screen to show our company. Oh, there are some more things WP Guidant.
Okay, so Mr. Albert,
Are you talking, Rakib?
Yes, maybe network issue, or he just finished the demo.
I'm finished the demo
Okay,
for the first
he's just completed the demo. Mr. Albert, please continue.
Yeah. So, okay, you have done the first demo. Can you just do another demo again, so that we can see more of the backend?
Oh, sure. Saki, please show another demo.
we heading for the demo for this part will continue in further how to customize the plugin guide actually like colors or margin or something that appears well you have to obviously answer could
You
Ashok
share your screen.
uh answer this question what do you want got okay with me okay okay we show how WP Guidant works as a filter. Now let's go in depth and customize this thing, this filter here, into something more. Like what we want to change the background, change the filter background color, change the product background color, show results, etc. For that, inside the guide, we'll click on not manage cards, but the edit filter. Well, we have to go from here. This is the guide, not manage filters, just guide settings and design.
Wait. Maybe your screen is not shared, Mr.
Yeah,
My
Saki.
I
screen
think
is not
the
shared.
screen is, yeah,
No, your screen is not
yeah,
shared.
it's not shared. Yeah, do
Share your
redo one
screen
more time
first.
because I was wondering, is this my problem or your problem? Okay,
Okay,
just
okay, I'm redoing. Let's
share your
see.
screen first before you talk.
Mhm.
Is it working now? Can you see?
It's
Loading,
loading. It's
loading,
loading.
it's loading. Yes,
Yeah,
Okay.
you can
it's
see now.
loading. I think it's not loading.
Network
Maybe
is unstable.
yes.
Could be
Uh,
the
okay, guys, I'm very sorry. I'm having a terrible network problem on my area, and I think my network is getting cut by the minute. Can you see right now? Please
Oh,
answer me.
no. We
yes.
can hear you, but there's no screen.
Hmm.
This is really sucks. Still no go, right?
Maybe
Yeah,
are you
no
in Big
screen.
Maker page?
Yeah, yeah, I'm on the same page. Let me reload the page if this is gonna
Please.
solve it.
Yeah,
Okay. Network is unstable, right? So, uh, guys, if you have any questions regarding this tool, you can ask in the comment section, and I will try to answer.
yeah. While is Abdullah is solving his problem. Yeah, it's loading.
It's loading. It's loading. It's loading.
Not
It's
yet.
still loading.
You
Maybe it's shared.
you share, you put your tab into the screen that you want to share. Now you are in the default tab,
Okay. Now, can you share and can you see?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Now we can see.
All right. Okay, we'll get back on. So, if I want to customize the guide by the appearance, the guide actually, then the filter, then the results or the product, I can do it from the back end. Like this is our guide. This is the manage filter option where I have to go first to make filters. Then this option, guide settings and design, will get you into the guide settings option where you can change the basic setting for the guide and the designs. For setting, we can change the guide name again.
I think you have to click the right tab. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. This
Okay,
is the right tab.
this is right. You can see,
Yes,
right?
correct.
Okay, so our guide can track submission reports. Like any customer going through your guide many times or any times on your webpage, you can track what the user did on your guide. Like if they selected any product or left the guide in midway, you can track everything. Even the result, this is fun actually, because with the tracking system, you can disable it obviously. With the tracking system, you can create sales funnel based on the user behavior, how the user choose products on your web page, like go for a simple product or a featured product. You can track it down and make the most cunning or most brilliant sales funnel ever. It's very easy actually. Then you can customize the guide title again and the description. Well, for the guide design, this is the color settings. You can add background image. Let me just show you a background image first. Am I screens sharing right now?
No, you are
Yes,
sharing the
you are sharing,
WP
but
guidance.
it's
Okay.
You have to
So,
share the right tab. There are so many tabs.
okay, these tabs do you have to close them? This
close
is the
other
back
tabs.
end. I can't close these tabs because I have put in the shortcode here. Acha, obviously, I can
Oh,
close
okay,
this
okay.
one, but let's close this one too. Webinar. Uh, Now, there's only three tabs. This is for the back end and this is for the front end. Are we clear?
No, you share
It's
the whole window, then you can whatever you are only sharing tab. Then you have to every time have to change the tab. If you share the window, then it would be you can go any tab.
oh, now I understand.
Okay, you share
Is
the
this
window,
right?
then you can, yeah.
Is this the right thing right now?
Actually, yes, Mr. Rakul Ashok is told about the net slow. Yes, in our country today, all the country we have the internet very slow. In Bangladesh, the whole internet system is slow today.
I
This is
see.
an national issue. Here, for today, all the networks are slow.
Mhm.
Okay, we can see now.
Yes, now we see the front end.
Now we can see here. Yes,
This is the
maybe
front end.
Mr. Rakul Ashok, you can see now. I hope. Okay, Mr. Sakib Rakul Ashok is also asked to show about the conditional logic and conversational forms.
Conditional
Still, he
logics.
can't see conditional logic and uh, conversational forms.
So should I show it from a demo or the backend? Please confirm.
From the backend, definitely. The conditional logic, how it works, the conditional logic.
Okay. If my screen is showing, please say yes.
It's loading.
Uh,
Uh,
Now,
Still loading. Can't see. Can you change your uh, internet?
I can switch back to mobile data, but not sure if it will work because mobile data has been restricted. Okay, let's see.
It's not.
I think it's slow, that's why it doesn't load.
Actually, it's our national issue today. In our country, all the internets are slows down. That's why it's not loading. So, can we skip this part because it's a very uh, important issue, and we also putting this conditional logic option and conversational form videos on our YouTube channel. So, Mr. Rakul, you can check out our YouTube channel that I am
Shahin,
checking
can
the.
you show your screen if you can? If you cannot,
Okay, let me try also.
Is my screen showing now?
Sure.
no, it's still loading. So loading means it's not showing.
Okay, I
Can
think
you you
I'm
just
not gonna.
refresh your, yeah, refresh your browser.
Okay, refresh your browser.
Can you go to the other tab, not the big marker tab?
Okay, let me share my screen so I can. So maybe you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, now the screen is there.
Okay, perfect. So here is the conditional logic, and if you don't have any conditional logic yet, you have to create a conditional logic where you can choose the elements. This results will show from your WordPress data. You can choose from here uh, for conditional logic, and you can select the method. And yeah, one more thing is you can hide a specific filter, something like that someone is click on the t-shirt, so what will be the next filter there you want to show a specific filter or not, you can hide this from here also as well. This will work perfectly, and you can create create that one. And for the result attributes, someone asked a minute ago. I just want to show him that here you can attribute the results. How you want to show the results for the post category, post title, post date, post modified, or post author, anything. Even if you have a WooCommerce on your WordPress, so you can select your WooCommerce also. And even if you have ACF, advanced custom field, or any custom field, you can choose that. That's also from here. Basically, here all your WordPress data will show here. You can choose any what you want. Okay, this was the result attributes. Here you can show how you want to show the result. For example, a user, he find a t-shirt, and there is no exact match for the t-shirt, so the WP guidance will show the most relevant t-shirts, and it will suggest that these are the perfect results. Okay.
Is this Abdullah trying to share his screen again, or is
Okay,
he online?
so the backend demo is already almost we covered the whole demo, so we can go forward. So what Rakul, you can move forward, Mr. Albert.
Yeah. So, but basically, we have to go forward. Okay, maybe Shahin, you can show the offer, no?
Okay, sure. Share my screen. So maybe my screen is shared, right?
It's loading.
Right. I have shared my screen. You can see.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So here is the result for our. Here is the price for the early adopters, and this is a very reasonable price, and you will not miss this deal, I hope. $49. This is for achiever package for one site, and every plan is come with all features, lifetime support and lifetime plugin update. And here is the agency plan for $249. This is for unlimited websites, and it definitely lifetime support. We promise that we will keep continue the support and plugin updates. And another plan is Freelancer. This one is for 10 sites and $149 for lifetime. And all the plans come up with 30 days money back guarantee. Definitely you can claim a refund if you found any bug, or if our plugin is not working as your expectation. So this is the pricing. Let me know about your thoughts or any questions. And Albert, please continue. So I'm sharing off my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Mr. Albert, please continue.
Okay. So basically, maybe we Shahin, you should answer the question. Go from the top to the bottom.
Yes.
From the top to the bottom, and try to answer all the questions first.
Uh, I was trying to answer all the questions in the comment sections. I think no questions is left.
No, you okay. So Chaitanya was asking, does the team behind Dark Lab and WP Guidance the same?
Mhm.
No, you just answer because not everybody is following the chat, you know. So when we talk, then we don't know.
Okay.
You understand what I mean?
So which one are you telling?
Okay, Chaitanya was asking whether the team behind Dark Lab and the WP Guidance are the same.
Okay, okay. So we no Dark Club team is different and WP Guidant is different, but all the teams in the same place. So we are working like a combination of team, teamwork.
Okay, Ivan was asking how the choices are sorted upon display. Can you explain
Sorry,
how the choices are sorted upon display?
how the choices can you mark the question? Which one?
No, the second question, you know. So if you read through the chat, then you can see.
Okay, okay,
There's now the specific team members, you know. So now the second question, how are the choices are sorted upon display?
okay. Okay, so how are the choices sorted upon display? So I already show the option that there is an option for result attribute. The choice is yours. You can show on your choice. You can show what you want to give uh, to display for your users.
Can you go to the back end again and just to show, you know?
Okay, let me try.
You can share your screen.
Mhm. Okay, so I think my screen is shared.
Is it? Yeah, now it's loading.
Okay, so you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, here is the result appearance for choosing what you want to display on your users. display result on completion when someone just put their fields and you want to show them yes or not. So if yes, you can design the result page as well as how you want to display the result. And here is the result attributes. This is the result attributes. You can add result attributes, something like on attribute what you want to show them. For example, you want to show them from product category or product thumbnail or product excerpt, even commerce price, acf, everything. Just select the attribute and uh, show then create the result attribute, and this will show one by one on the WooCommerce results on the result page. And you can change the attributes very easily because all these cards are drag and drop. What you want to show up and down, you can change here from here. These are very powerful and drag and drop. Okay, so any other questions?
Okay, let me see. Okay,
Okay,
Chaitanya
so
was asking how does.
so I think Chaitanya is asking, is the guide is for products only, or we can use it similar to funnels and service as well? Okay, you can use or you can create forms for funnels or service as well. uh, Even all the options is there. Even you can collect leads by asking their email, phone, anything you want. You can create funnels and service as well from this powerful WP Guidance tool.
You mean you can do funnels and survey,
Yes, definitely.
but is there any demo that the existing demo that can show that this is a funnel or a survey?
So I can let me share the demo for, for the survey. For the survey, Mr. Chaitanya just asked. Let me share.
You're sharing a screen?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, please share.
Okay. So, uh, yeah, something like this one is also created with WP Guidance. And for example, you want a survey or a customer feedback demo, so you can select, you can create. For example, product quality review, next customer service review, and here you can ask the his or her name, email, even message, and they can submit here. For example, I am, this is I'm going to submit it. Okay, so I have submitted, and all the reports you can find from here. Here is the reports. I just this is the this is the submission what I made just right now.
Yeah, how to show the report? Yeah.
Maybe this one customer. Okay. So services. Here I am finding the guide. Which one? That one from customer feedback. So maybe there is. Let
Oh,
me
no recorded yet.
let me refresh this one. And customer feedback. Here is one. Here, there, that one.
Oh, okay.
I just put here. What I put on the front end, or a user what he put on the front end, all these fields you can see from here. His name, email, and message, everything.
But this report is only pop up, or can it show? Can you download it or something like
No,
that?
this is we are trying to create a web hook here. So when a user submit any form, that will redirect to user's admin. So this feature is under development, and we are developing this feature.
Oh, I see.
And
Okay.
still now you can see the reports from here only, and we are trying to we are developing the feature that is webhook.
Hmm.
Okay, so
Okay. So yeah, just checking, Abdullah. Is your internet okay? Can you go online? I mean, the video and the.
yes, maybe he's not in the call. Abdullah, can you hear us?
He's in the chat. Yeah, yeah,
Can you
he's
see
yeah.
me?
Yeah, try to
Okay.
share the screen to just now you have not finished your presentation. Maybe now the internet is better. Just try.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
let me share my screen and see if it goes
Yes.
on.
Okay, you can stop your
Windows.
camera.
Is it showing now?
Yes, it's loading.
Loading, loading. Uh,
Yes, it's shared. It's
Okay,
you
it's
can
shared.
show. Mhm.
Right. Where were we? We're in the customization page. We want to customize the appearance of our guide.
hold on. The screen. Yeah. Okay, now you can talk. Yes.
Okay, sorry guys.
Yeah.
So,
Continue.
first, this is the guide title, this is the description, this is for the guide part. This second part is for the filter. Let me adjust the guide part. Let's change the title to white, font size 30. Move on to 40. Description color goes white as well, a little dark. Then 24. Okay, for the background image, let's pick something a little darker, like yeah, this car goes perfect. Okay, so save changes, reload the page. See, the background is changed for our guide. Can you see?
Yes,
Yes, we
we
can
see
see.
the Mercedes at the back.
Okay, so now we'll change the filter color here. This goes from the filter design on the back end. Our title color is black, black. Okay, both stays a little back. Then for the color, this is the background color. We'll set it a little red type, a little deeper. Okay, then there's the button. So the button background color goes to black and the border goes to white. Okay, let's see. All right, our filter looks something dumb. We have to recreate the title color. Now it should be okay. All right. Then the lastly, we can actually change the color of this card. This is from the card design. It's also inside the filter, but a separate thing. Card slider form. Actually, I didn't show you the slider and form design, right? I have to show that.
Yeah,
For
please
the
show.
card, same settings go for the card. There's a lot of color settings, font size, card image height. I can notch up the image 250. Then the card image changes according to it looks like a straight sweatpant, but let's okay be with that. Revert the changes, and now we'll go for the slider part. Just click on the all guides, trace your guide here, click on the manage filters. This is our first filter, which is card filter. There's the type. Let's create another. It's filter 2. Then select price range too pricey or too bad. Let's select our slider. Now create. This is our second filter. You can always change the orientation of the filter, arrange them from top to bottom by simply dragging them over, like this. Okay, so inside the slider filter, let's create our first slider. Simply go to manage filter, manage slider, then create a new slider, add some label like price. Now, the slider can be two types, a single line or a range. For the price, actually, people go for the range more than a single line. So let's go for the range. We can add a filter image on top of the slider. Like, let's go with the stars. Minimum range 0, maximum range 200. Slider steps 10. Then you can add numbers or values or anything, any text beside these steps. Like we can add dollar sign, then add USD. Same for the condition or an and. Let's save changes. And for the slider condition, we want to filter the product, not the category, but the price. As you can see, WooCommerce price. Let's select that. Matching type will be between. Because this is a range slider, I want to set the between. Not between will move the result from which is not set in the range, out of the range. So I'm selecting the between, create, save changes. Now reload this page. And this is our first card. Select the t-shirt, go to next. This is the slider. I can actually move from any amount. It will change on 10 steps right now. So let's go to this price range. Then click on show results. Right? This is how the slider filter looks like and works. As for the form, Mr. Shaheen already showed you the application of form filter, but let me show you how it's created. Go to the filters again, click on create filter, then type filter 3, then just put words, fill up this form please. Then just select the form. Click on create. Now from this filter, you have to go to the manage form elements, then create new element, type something like name. You can select the element type, input field, select field, checkbox, radio field, text area. For the name, input field is best. Then text, number, email, password. You can even match date and time. And if the field is required, you can select required or optional if it's not required. Let's save changes. Go to the form element, add another element. This time, the email. Input field, select email. Now, is this required? Obviously. Save changes and let's reload the page. Select something. If you don't select the t-shirt, the next will not work. Selecting the t-shirt, going to next, set the price. Now I have to put the name and email to show the results. I can simply click the results, but nothing will fail. Now put something abc, abc at the rate abc.com. Now click show results. See, this works. Just like that, you'll be able to trace the report here. See, here's the report. I've selected the t-shirt, price set to 99 to 200, and fill the form ABC and ABC at the rate abc.com. So, what's the situation here? You can track what the user did on your website, how they behave, what they selected, and what they are looking for. Not only this type of e-commerce, but anything can be shown using this plugin. And by anything, I mean absolutely anything. Customers' feedback, rent something, sell something, or you like to arrange a webinar and have some opinion, anything goes. There's also something special like the custom fields. You can create custom fields, name it, name field 1, then select the placement for post or product, anything. Let's go with post, create field. Now on the posts, if you want to edit it, you'll see there's actually a field right below. This is the ACF or advanced custom form, and we have our own custom fields that works like the ACF, and you can just place some tag and use it on the website. Very simple and it's effective. So this concludes my presentation for WP Guidant made by WP Commerce.
Okay, thank you, Abdullah. Okay, I was thinking that question for Shaheen.
Okay.
So okay, the results that the reports that is presented, yes, is pop up, and is there any way to integrate it? Uh,
Yes,
so
we are
that you can.
trying. We are developing that feature to integrate with like JPR or other platforms. This feature is still under development.
You mean you use a Zapier or Pabbly?
Yes.
Yeah, that will be good because I mean
Mm-hmm.
the reports have to be usable. You know, as you see at the last question, there's a just Tagis is asking. You know, it has to be some aggregated view where you can see the trend, or maybe I would think that maybe Google Sheet or whatever data will be exported to that would be easier.
Mm-hmm.
You get what I mean now, Shaheen?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Chaitanya was asking whether we can see how many users use the guide, any analytics.
Any analytics? No, not yet.
But you can do that, right? Because you have all the reports. You know, they have given you the name, maybe the email. No, unless you ask for it, right? If you don't ask for it, they don't.
Mhm. We are also developing the analytics. This will be available probably on the next month.
Okay, this last question by Raku is complicated. You know, I don't understand.
Mhm.
Shaheen, please read that.
Can
You
you
know,
please
and see
show
whether you
an
can understand.
example of the below mentioned use case? Suppose we have a two-member family, another three-member family, and another four-member family. A user who selects two-member family, we need to show a fixed list of products. For three-member family, another fixed list of products. Hope my question is that's Sakib. Can you
Well, actually, it's a piece of cake with
it's
a conditional logic. We can build a form where you have to put the number of the members, or a slider where you have to select the members of your family, like how many are there, and we use the conditional logic against the form with the result, or in the cart form with the result, and link other filters, or omit some filters to show the specific one for the family.
Mhm.
Okay, Abdullah, can I suggest that you do this as a real demo and see whether, I mean, when you explain, I couldn't see. Maybe the audience also could not understand.
Well, if I want to create a real demo, it will take some time, but I can really give an example, an easiest example. Will that work?
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Just a simple example. Raku was interested to show to see the example.
Okay, let me see. Please wait a bit.
Okay, you can. Are you sharing your screen?
No, not right now.
Okay.
I'm searching for. Okay, so let me share and explain it. Am I visible on the screen?
Loading. It's loading.
Is it still loading?
Yes, still loading.
Okay, if it's on, please say yes.
Maybe I can see.
Okay, Mr. Albert 10, can you see?
Hold on. Yes. No, still loading. But what about Shaheen? Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Okay,
Oh, everyone
everybody in
can
the chat
see.
can see. So let me show you it with the simplest way, like the real estate. Just look for this part. Do you want to buy or rent? If I want to go with the buy, the next filter presents what type of property you want to buy. But if I went for the rent, the filter sent what type of property you want to rent. Two different results, right? This is actually possible because we have created two different results at the same time. Like, suppose this is the filter 2, and from the card, I can set this card for like not t-shirt, family. Family of 2, select the happy icon, then go for another card, family of 4. Okay, so what we have now, we have two cards, two different for the family of 2, family of 4. Each card will be using conditional logic against back to back another filter, and this is how we'll be setting the conditions from here, the cut condition, and we can only select a specific streamline for the family of 2 and the family of 4. So two different results for two different selections. This is possible. I'm concluding this answer. Is it clear?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
I don't know about Raku. Okay, Jahin Chaitanya was asking, this is
Mhm.
difficult, I think. Flowchart type of conditional logic, Are you going to plan that?
Would be good. Okay, okay. Noting this one. Noted, Mr. Chaitanya. I have noted this one. We see it.
Flowchart. Yeah, flowchart works. We'll be noting that.
Yes.
Yeah, because I think a lot of this funnels or whatever they are using this
Mhm.
flowchart kind of thing, or the like email marketing software, they usually use a flowchart to easily map up the funnels or also the logic.
Mhm.
Okay, guys. Sorry for what they call a little bit confusing, on because our internet connection in the country is not so good.
Yes,
So that's
yes.
why Sakib was have to jump in and jump out again. So
Yeah,
that is
I'm very sorry
expected.
about that because I'm really facing some trouble. There was no internet from
Okay,
morning
that's why
2:30 a.m.
that's why it's a little bit like disjointed, the flow.
Yeah,
So don't worry. So I mean, as long as we can understand, we can always ask the question in the group or in the chat. There is always a chat, in the what they call the website.
Mhm.
So we are almost time. So now it's time to before we do the conclusion, Shahin, we should do the giveaway for the three
Sure,
winners
sure.
while we are waiting for Shahin. Shahin, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear.
Now is his 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 internet is no good. Okay, we can see you. Can you
well, we
see
have
us?
prepared, but it's like our country
like,
has.
like frozen. Okay, like frozen. Okay. So Sahil, I was asking, should we do the giveaway now for the audience?
Yes, sure. You can hear.
Okay.
Barely, we can
So
hear you barely.
okay, I so the giveaway is three prizes. I would like to ask Shahin to ask the three questions that you have spoken, or maybe regarding your WB guidance. And if anybody who can answer it correctly, the first one, type in the chat box, they will win the prize. Okay? So Shahin, you think of three questions. Simple question will do, I mean, for the audience. Difficult? Or maybe Abdullah, you do ask the first question. Abdullah, you ask the first question. Then let Shaheen think of the second and the third question. Simple question. Before you say, ask it, type it out in the chat box so that everybody have an equal chance of, of winning, you know.
Okay, so let me go for the first question. It will be simple, right?
You type it down.
Question 1.
You're still typing or you're
Yeah,
still
I'm
thinking?
tapping. I'm tapping. So is WP Guidant is a product for Shopify? Nope, it's for WordPress.
Oh, you got tricked, you know. Okay, so Raku, you got tricked, huh? Because this is WordPress, you know. Sorry, you know. So the first person who answer correct is Chaitanya, right?
Yep, right. Mr.
Okay,
Chaitanya, you
Chaitanya,
win
you
the
win
deal.
one of the code, you know. Okay, so Shaheen, are you ready for the second question? I cannot hear you, no, because are you speaking? No,
Yes, I am
I think your
speaking, but
connection
you
is
can't hear. I don't think so.
yeah, very choppy.
Achha, okay, I am typing. What is the.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
I think Mr. Shine is typing right now.
Yeah. So please look at your chat so that you can win the prize. Type our company name correctly here. Oh, very important. Oh, CPT, wrong. CPT. Okay,
WP
Peter.
Wait, wait.
Peter, you won it, Peter. Peter D. Win one code. Okay, let
Okay.
me ask the last question. Is it okay, Shaheen?
Yes.
Shaheen, can I ask the last question?
Yeah, please go
Yes.
Because
for.
I cannot. Yeah, because I think his screen is froze. Okay, guys, this is a very simple question. It depends on how fast you can type the right answer. Okay, you must type the right answer correctly. If not, you are disqualified. Okay, please. I will not write the question because if I write,
No,
then it's
we
very
announced.
easy for you
Yeah.
to answer. Okay. Uh, we know that this Shaheen and his partner is from which country?
Oh.
I think we got confused, huh? Woo.
Is there no
Okay,
one answering?
no, because Shaheen asked the first question. Then I asked the second question. So I don't know which one should be the question. Go for both. Okay. If that is the case, Download Silo. Okay, Raku is correct. Download Silo.
Then
Raku.
he's actually getting a license.
So okay. So the second question is what country are you guys from? Okay, Cleven Chu. Okay,
So
Cleven Chu,
close.
you answer. Second chance, second time you answer it correctly. First time you answered Bangladesh with a K. So
But it's the correct answer, and he's the first one to make the correct guess. So he's actually winning.
same person who win. Okay, Cleven Chu, you win the code. Okay, remember, no, these guys are from Bangladesh. We actually have been talking about it because just now when the connections are no good, we say Shahin was talking about the country, have some issue on the internet connection, that kind of thing. Okay, so we have all these four prices instead of three prices. So we will conclude from here. And hi guys, please forgive us for this very choppy kind of webinar because of the internet connection in this Bangladesh. So we hope that
We're very sorry to
you
have
guys
you guys wait for so long.
hopefully you could understand the webinar, but don't worry, we are always here to answer your question in the Facebook or in the chat, live chat in the website. So for those who are not winning, don't worry, you can always buy. And the prices of this what they call this will stay for 10 days, 8 days. Let me share the screen. Okay, can you guys see the deal page?
Nope, nothing on the screen.
Yeah, it's showing in my side, but then no, is it showing?
Nope, not on my
It's
tab.
still loading.
I think I think I have the bad connection getting me on the nerves.
Okay, doesn't worry. No, don't worry. I will just talk about it. So
Okay,
basically,
now I can see.
I don't know about others. Okay, so the link of the LTD is actually wpcommerce.com/guidance/special. So you will find that it suit your what they call the requirement. You can always buy it because a price will increase after 1 week.
Mr. Albert, actually, I'm not hearing anything from you or Mr. Shahin.